Am I a mother? My wife is the one who gave birth. Yes, obviously. Why obviously? Because you're raising those babies, you were involved in the process of making those babies, they are your babies. Sure, but legally I'm not. Wait, what? Are you a dad? No, definitely not a dad. But on their birth certificates, I'm listed as parent, not mother. In UK law, legal parenthood status is governed by the wider law created for cisgender parents, which is prescriptive and gender-based and doesn't always produce the right outcomes. Oh, I feel like this is going somewhere. Oh, you're not just talking about two cisgender lesbians. Bingo! Happy Transgender Awareness Week. So, if you give birth to a child in England and Wales, you will be recorded as your child's mother, even if you identify as male or non-binary, and even if you have a gender recognition certificate confirming you are legally male. Oh, well, that's weird. Isn't it? The High Court claims, one, it's because they need a system of tracking who actually gave birth to a child on their birth certificate. But what about surrogacy? That person isn't. And two, the Gender Recognition Act of 2004 says that a person legally changing gender doesn't affect their status as the mother or father of their child. But isn't that for children who already exist, not children who... Look, unless Parliament changes the law, the UK legal position is currently that parents who give birth in England and Wales must be registered as the mother. Okay, but why can't the other person be as well? Good question. And also, let's all take a moment to feel icky about the Supreme Court deciding the definition of a woman is based on biology. I think I'm more than my bits, aren't I? Aren't we all? But there isn't clear case law in the UK about trans parents who are not birth parents. If you have a gender recognition certificate and you're married or civil partnered, or your partner conceives at a UK fertility clinic, then you can be registered as a father or parent. Why not a mother? Because again, only the person who gives birth is listed as mother, even if it was your egg. Except for surrogate mothers. Well, then your child will have two birth certificates. The first has the surrogate, the second lists the legal parents. But at least one of you needs to be biologically related to the child. And then, could a transgender woman be listed as a mother? No, the new birth certificate records all parents, irrespective of gender identity, as parents. Why is this so complicated? Because laws are old and don't really reflect lived reality. Shouldn't we change them? Well, yes, friend, write to your MP. UK law should either allow parents to choose their parental title or otherwise make all documents about parenthood gender neutral. Children's birth certificates and the general law should recognise the realities of those children's lives.